to show how to apply a water wallpaper on this mobile. So first we have to go to Play Store. Then we have to install this amazing water leaf wallpaper app, and I have installed. You have to open this. Then you have to choose. I will choose this one. You can choose any one. Do close, then apply, then it will prepare. Then this is ready. Then set wallpaper, then home screen and lock screen. You can do anything. Then this is applied successfully. Look, so this I showed you today. It was little much video, guys. If you like this video, so share, comment and subscribe also. Bye.